Hi everyone, welcome to Kapil's Tech Byte. In this video, we will learn how to do the data horizontally and vertically and vice versa. Let's see. So as you can see here, we have this data as vertical. Now we wanted to do this data to the horizontal position. So let's see. Just simply press Ctrl C to copy this data. Come to the cell from where you wanted to paste it horizontally. So like in my case, I wanted to paste it in H column and then it will go to I, J, K, L, M, N respectively. So just press Alt E S V. So as you can see, once you pressed Alt E S V, this dialog box came. So we are pasting these values as paste as values. And then here you can see there is another one option called as transpose. So we'll just simply click on transpose and click on OK. So what will happen? All the vertical data will get pasted into horizontal position. Vice versa. Now, suppose we wanted to paste this data to vertical position. Simply just copy. Again, follow the same step. Alt ESV and click on transpose. OK. Your horizontal data will get pasted as vertical. That's it for this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.